Today we're doing something we've never done before. There's going to be some bangs. There's going to be some reactions. And there may even be some cheeky little sliding. So today we are picking up some of our Vincere Pro members and we're going to take them for a rip in Barney. You all know Barney. Barney's our 600 horsepower in-house Skyline. He makes some crazy noises. We get a lot of attention and it's a lot of freaking fun to drive. So we're sharing this with you guys. If you are a Pro member, even if you don't live in Brisbane, we're going to be making our way all the way around Australia, I think. We'll see how we go. If you like the content, if you want to come for a ride in Barney, shit, we'll make it happen. Let's go. I guess first up is Morgan. We're going for a rip, eh? Yeah. Are you excited?
Have you ever been in a Jap car, like crazy Jap car before?
I've been in a 180SX.
Okay.
A drift car.
Okay, proper car. All right, cool. Did it make some power or?
I think it was like 500, okay. 500 wheels.
All right.
Yeah.
Get to it.
Let's do it. So did you guys build this yourselves?
No, we bought it with just the motor done and
Okay.
then the driveline sort of work.
Okay.
It was just like a KH2 GDST, had the shit wing, looked ugly as sin, had some rep wheels. We paid premium COVID money.
Yep.
We painted it purple, did a nice, or just a black set of C28s. Guy took 70 grand instead. Thank God, because I fucking love this car.
Is it RB26 DET?
No, 25 Neo,
25?
fully
Okay.
fully built, yeah,
Fully
literally
built?
everything.
Nice,
yeah.
nice.
Your 3582 turbo hits pretty hard.
What are you running boost-wise PSI? Probably about
Well,
20?
we've got 4 boost settings. So SP1's like 14, that's maybe 20.
Yeah.
That'll be like 25, and then SP4, which we barely drive it in. We run China tires on these, well, we bought China tires when we got these wheels sorted, which was a year and a half ago, so they just PS. It's good fun. Yeah. We're good to go. Fuck yeah! Dude, this car's nuts, man. I love this car. Is that harder than you thought it'd go?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man.
Not reaching for the granny handle yet.
Dude, this car's nuts. I love it. Every time we drive it. You can't beat it.
Bro, you cannot beat that noise.
Yeah, dude, right? What a car, eh?
You know what that smells like? Success. Fuck yeah.
Dude, I just love the bangs, man. You can't beat it.
This handles really well. Because this is rear-wheel drive bias, yeah.
Well, this is not a GDR, this is just GDST.
Yeah,
so all rear-wheel drive, just glory.
Nah, you got the best job in the world, man.
It's got its
so
perks,
much
that's for
fun.
sure. We've just put a deposit on an Evo. That looks like a good street. And it's got a hood dump, makes 640 wheel in an Evo. Like, it'll be nuts.
Fuck yeah.
You want to get a Japanese car for yourself? Or you
I
like
do,
Euros?
man. I'd love a Jap car. It's just too expensive.
Dude, it's crazy, man.
Like, I'd love an Evo. I'd love an
Okay.
Evo 6.
Oh yeah, Evo 6, yeah.
But obviously the dream is a 33 GTR.
Okay, 33, man. You don't hear many people love a 33 over the rest.
Man, I love 33s.
Good
It
man.
took the best parts of the 32 and just improved on it. And it looks, in my opinion, it's the sexiest looking out of all
Shit,
the GTRs.
alright. There you go, I like it, I like it. I'm a 32 man myself.
Yeah.
Don't care much for the 34s.
I mean, I understand the appeal, just not for me.
Yeah, I feel ya. And the price tag can, yeah.
Oh, I love how no one even looks up anymore.
Dude, a lot of people sometimes you get a lot of attention in it and sometimes you get nothing.
That's crazy to me.
Must be on their days, I don't know, some
Yeah,
people have
yeah.
different days. So did you just come down for this?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, good on you.
Yeah.
Good on you. I hope it's worth it.
Man, it is. He's got the best job as well, filming all this stuff.
Yeah, he has fun, that's for sure. Yeah, we're just keen to build the team. We're about to get a warehouse.
Yeah.
Like just sort of final negotiations of getting this warehouse, and then we want to go pretty ham on the content. We do want to do build series and just like build a whole bunch of cars and then make them as giveaway cars, which would be fucking sick.
Dude, she just kicks.
Dude, it does.
Dude.
The bangs are everything. I love them, man. Love them. Oh, really? Wow, okay. Didn't know Barney did that. Apparently.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Car's just raw.
Yeah. Dude, this thing, like, just the gearbox whine is fucking ridiculous on this car. And the best part about an R32 Skyline, in my opinion, is you can have your fitment really low to the fender, but the body still rides high and you don't have to scrape on all the bullshit. Straight enough.
Good morning, neighbours. I don't think I could ever not smile
In this?
in this car. Dude,
Dude, I'll be
the
honest.
way that it just kicks back, it literally goes out and then it just brings
Straight
itself.
back in. And you wouldn't believe, these are China tyres, and they're the cheapest tyres you could get is what we put on this car. And we've had them for 2 years, and I drive it just like I'm driving with you. Let's see how this goes. Not bad, eh? Not bad.
Sick. Dude, this thing is wicked.
Good fun, eh?
This is so much fun.
All we need is a doubled-in head unit with Waze, new speaker system. I mean, not that you're in this to listen to music, but
Take this thing to shows.
bro, this thing barely leaves the show. It only leaves the show recently for YouTube videos. Like, we're a three-man team. We we're pretty busy all the time. We're always doing work sort of product. So the YouTube side of things is very much just a reason why we do YouTube is just to show more of what we do to build trust, because obviously we're running giveaways, bro. Nobody believes you actually give the cars away. So the more we can show of just everything and give people entertainment, I guess, they'll start to like us and understand that we're not dickheads on Facebook saying, hey, give me your money. You know what I mean?
You're gonna be in it to win it, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Had some guys, like a guy who just sold the car back to us. He won an Aerotop Supra. He literally spent $30.
$30.
And he put it on his Afterpay card. And he won it. Crazy. Crazy, dude.
Fucking ripper.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. It was freaking fun.
Shout out to the Hilo. Yeah? Really?
A lady walked out, she
It's a bit of a smoke cloud there. Not in full gear, like they pull, man.
Dude, that is crazy. You feel it hit boost, you're like, whoa, all right.
Yeah, pulled over and did the intro here, then this guy comes out, he's working in the construction site and has a good chat with us. And that's him there, I think. That was for you, brother. That was him. How good?
Oh,
That's what it's all about.
every time.
Yeah.
Nothing beats tuner cars, man.
Yeah, dude, right? Who wants to drive a boring freaking car?
At least gap the exhaust.
Oh man, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah. It was fucking awesome.